Hey guys, Chauncey with Bridge Realty here at our brand new listing at 3936 Beard Avenue North in beautiful Robbinsdale. An amazing opportunity that you can't miss. You gotta check it out. Here we are on the inside of this amazing opportunity. This would be your dining room space here. Large open kitchen. We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with a finished basement. There's so much money to be made. What a tremendous opportunity. You gotta come see it. Here we are in the basement, bedroom number 3. We also have bedroom number 4. As you can see, they've got all the hard work already done for you. And on the other side, there's a large space with a family room already framed in. It's a no-brainer, right? Another one of my favorite features of this property is this amazing view of the lake. If you would like to make money, this is a no-brainer, can't miss opportunity. For a private tour or more information, reach out to us today.